once there was a melody that came from the depths of me.
Honor will be announcing the Honor V30 series on November 26th at an event in Beijing, China. Now ahead of the launch, the specs of the V30 and V30 Pro phones have surfaced online. Also, Honor V30 Pro has been spotted on Antutu benchmarking website. The Honor V30 and the Honor V30 Pro are confirmed to pack a silicon Kirin 990 processor. Both the devices will come with 5G connectivity, corroborating previous leaks. An official video teaser by Honor on Weibo reveals the aforementioned hardware on the V30 series. The Honor V30 is likely to be available in 6GB RAM, plus 128GB storage, and 8GB RAM, plus 128GB storage configuration. On the other hand, the Honor V30 Pro might come with 8GB RAM, plus 128GB storage, and an 8GB RAM, plus 256GB storage option. We might see the Android 10 OS on the Honor V30 series. As for the other features, both the smartphones are said to come with a similar set of hardware, with the primary difference being in the camera hardware. The Honor V30 series is said to offer a quad rear camera setup with a 60MP Sony IMX600 primary sensor. While the Honor V30 is speculated with an 8MP tertiary sensor and a wide-angle lens, the V30 Pro is likely to offer a 12MP sensor. The display on both models will measure 6.57 inches and will be an IPS panel with 91.46% screen-to-body ratio and an FHD Plus resolution. There will be a dual punch hole for the selfie camera on the V30 and the V30 Pro. Other features revealed via leaks include a USB Type-C port at the bottom and a side-mounted fingerprint scanner. The Honor V30 is likely to run on a 4,200 mAh battery, while the Honor V30 Pro is said to come to make use of a 4,100 mAh battery with 27W and 40W fast charging respectively.